Hello guys, once again welcome back to Fingertips. Today in this session we will learn about different reasons to learn Python in 2024. So guys, Python is a hot topic, we already know. Python is a language that makes programming so accessible to people all around the world, with a community that is rapidly expanding around data science, machine learning, AI, web development and other fields too. So guys, Python is just a simple programming language by which we can read, write and even learn. Additionally, it is quite scalable. It is used by the biggest companies in the world right now and it is excellent for creating rapid prototypes. Also, do you know, according to recent Stack Overflow study, the Python is one of the most well-liked and in-demand programming language right now. But guys, did you ever think why Python is getting all of the popularity and what is the main reason behind that? Look guys, Python has surpassed other programming languages we already know, like Java, C, C++ and risen to the top, simply because of its attractiveness to most of the people. Python is a wide range of uses. It is so great that aspirants are now highly interested to learn the language and develop their own skills in programming skills with Python. As Python is excellent for speedy prototyping, thus big companies used to create their first minimal viable product, which is called MVP. The biggest and the most technological advanced firms in the world utilize Python as it is highly scalable language. Python was mentioned by even Netflix as being used in everything from their monitoring systems to their content delivery network, which is CDN. Python programming is also favored by Google for its solutions. Also, many popular companies like Quora, Spotify, Ola, Uber currently use Python as their primary development language. Look guys, Python programming language was designed by Rossum in the late 1980s and its implementation was started around 1989. It is a popular, high-level, object-oriented interpreted language that makes it so easy as the English language. So if you are thinking to learn Python but are having some second thoughts about whether you should or shouldn't learn this language, then here we have come up with 10 different reasons to make you fall in love with Python. So guys, the first reason is Python is the simplest language. Python is a great choice for beginners because of its simplicity. Beginners choose it because it's so easy and has simple syntax, which almost seems like English, and also has a high number of readability level. This is why Python is frequently used for web development, text processing, data analysis, and statistical analysis, among other things, in both development and data science domain. With this guys, moving on to the second reason, Python is very adaptable and extensible. Python is highly scalable and extensible because of its flexibility. Python allows you cross-language operations without any problem. You can easily integrate it with Java and .NET components and can easily level up with Python, C, C++ libraries. You know what? It is supported by most of the platforms right now, like Windows, Linux, etc. So guys, the third reason is it has lots of libraries and packages. We have NumPy, SciPy, scikit-learn, matplotlib, pandas, and stats models. Python features and abilities have greatly increased as a result of its extensive collection and incorporation of libraries over time. Moving on to the fourth reason guys, which is web development became so easy because of Python. It is one of the main reasons to use Python because it makes the complete process of web development so much easier and more convenient and provides a wide range of variety of web development frameworks like Django, TurboGears, Web2Py, Flask, etc. Frameworks like these help developers to code much faster and in a more stable manner by using these frameworks, resulting in reducing development time so that developers can easily focus on logic building. Guys, the fifth reason is Python has lots of data visualization frameworks. Frameworks like matplotlib for data visualization makes it simple to understand complicated data sets. Not only that, but you can also visualize your results using a variety of representation methods, including graphs, pie charts, graphical plots, interactive plots that are ready for the web, and much more. Moving on to the sixth reason is that Python has numerous numbers of testing frameworks. Guys, as Python is one of the best languages to use for testing or even verifying concepts, It has numbers of integrated testing frameworks that adds in process optimizations and even debugging. With frameworks like PyTest and Robot, Python provides a testing across platforms and browsers. Moving on to the seventh reason, which is Python is best for enterprise application integration. Guys, Python is an excellent option for EAI. It applies to programs written in various different languages and can be smoothly integrated into programs. As an example, Python can directly call from and to Java, C++ and even C. Coming up to the eighth reason is that Python can be used for scripting too. Yes, Python is not just a programming language. It can be used for scripting too. The features that set scripting languages apart from programming languages is that scripting languages don't require any interpretation or compilation. Like they are directly interpreted. Coming up to the ninth reason, which is the most important reason, guys, is that it has an engaged community. Yes, you can easily rely on Python's vibrant and close community. You can always ask the Python's community for assistance, like if you have any coding related or data related problems. They are always willing to help you. Since it has an open source language, new developers are really made every day in the community. Programmers, developers frequently add to the language's richness by creating new tools and libraries, frameworks every day. Coming up to the last and the 10th reason, guys, is that Python has a huge amount of career opportunities. Yes, guys, believe me, you can easily get a high amount of salaries in the industry as a Python developer, as it is one of the major programming language in the development and data science field at present. It makes large companies projects and offers a huge growth curve. Also, do you know that according to Glassdoor, the average salary of a Python developer in India is around 4.5 lakhs per year in India. And believe me, it can go a lot higher. So guys, with this, we have come up to the end of this video. These were the top 10 reasons to learn Python in 2024. It's time to wrap up. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe to Fingertips. Till then, happy learning.